90-Day Fiancé, Happily Ever After. Season 5 star Paul Staehle has been through a lot since the last time viewers saw him on screen in 2021. Paul debuted in 90-Day Fiancé. Before the 90 Days season went alongside Brazilian woman Karine Martins. Their relationship was tumultuous from the start. Paul didn't trust Karine as soon as he met her, giving them a rocky foundation. Eventually, Paul confessed to Karine that he had a criminal record, including arson, deepening their drama. Despite this, the two continued dating. When Karine got pregnant, distrustful Paul made her take a paternity test. Paul and Karine got married in 2017 and eventually had two sons, Pierre and Ethan. In late 2021, videos from Paul and Karine's surveillance camera leaked online, revealing the couple were violent towards each other. Because of this, the couple lost custody of their sons. Also, due to their domestic violence, the couple did not appear on the 90-Day Fiancé. Happily Ever After. Season 5 Tell-All. Many rely on Paul's social media for updates, as he posts frequently. However, the posts he shares are often cryptic, so it's not always easy to tell what's going on. Paul recently took to Instagram to reveal he has been suffering. The post appeared to be a screenshot from a language translation website, showing the message in both English and Portuguese, as he has followers in Brazil as well. The screenshot read, "I am not mentally okay. I am suffering. I need help." The Kentucky man did not add a caption to the post or provide any further details. In the comments, concerned fans asked how they could help. However, Paul has not yet publicly replied to any comments. He closed comments on the post, preventing people from commenting further. This recent concerning post is not the only worrying update on Paul from the last couple of years. Since Paul and Karine appeared on 90-Day Fiancé, Happily Ever After. Season 5, they have both taken to Instagram to share updates on each other, most of which are concerning and cryptic. For instance, Paul shared a photo of Karine in a hospital bed in May 2024, exclaiming that she had had a successful surgery. He did not explain why she needed surgery or provide any context. What's more, Paul and Karine have been in numerous situations that made national news headlines in the past few years. In 2023, Paul was reported missing after he got lost in a jungle in Brazil. He texted his mother, Mary Staehle, he was lost and then stopped replying. Mary contacted the U.S. Embassy in Brazil and reported Paul as a missing person. Karine shared the news of Paul's disappearance on Instagram to alert her followers. Shortly after, Karine alluded Paul had died in another post. Paul resurfaced after a few days, claiming he got in a canoeing accident and his phone died. He said he had no idea he had been reported missing. Paul's explanation, plus Karine's claims that Paul was dead, made it seem like the whole incident was a PR stunt. However, this was not the only time Paul was reported missing. In the summer of 2022, Paul and his son Pierre were out for a long drive and were reported missing by a police bulletin. Child Protective Services picked up Pierre and reunited him with his brother Ethan at the foster home where they were staying. The situation was regarded as an attempted kidnapping since Paul didn't have custody of either child. However, Paul denied any intent of kidnapping and insisted that he and Pierre had instead been traveling together on an extended work trip. In June, 2 months before Paul shared he was struggling, revealed a surprising update on the custody battle for his children. Back in December 2023, Paul shared that his cousin Lindsay had custody of the children and the boys were no longer in foster care. According to In Touch, Lindsay filed a motion in May 2023 to obtain permanent custody of Ethan and Pierre. Paul shared several angry posts about his cousin, alleging Lindsay wasn't allowing any family to see or contact the kids. This included Karine and Paul's parents. Paul's Instagram post claimed Lindsay would be appearing in court on Monday. He alleged Lindsay was found in contempt of court for cutting off the kid's interactions with his family. The Instagram post has since been deleted. At the time of writing, 2 months have passed since Paul initially shared that post. As of yet, there have been no updates or evidence of a court case. Because of his track record, Paul is not exactly what we would call a reliable narrator. Since the Instagram post has since been deleted, the validity of Paul's claims is questionable. Paul's relationship status is currently unknown, but there are some interesting recent updates. In March, Paul told the Dominic Nati show that he and Karine were in an open marriage. Several months earlier, Paul was spotted with Karine at Disneyland. This is the only indication that the claims about an open marriage are valid.